In this video, I will show you how to change Google Chrome to dark mode. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome and give your browser a sleek, darker look in just a few simple steps. This can also make browsing more comfortable, especially when using your computer in low light conditions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more helpful Google Chrome tips, tricks and easy tech tutorials. To do this, what you want to do first is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. Next, what you want to do is hover over the extensions option, and on the submenu that comes up, you want to click to visit the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, use the search box at the top and type dark mode. Go ahead to give that a search. And what you want to do is click onto the featured extension, which has got this kind of logo here. That's going to take you across to the extension page. From here, click the blue Add to Chrome button, and then click Add Extension on the pop-up that comes up. Now, what it's going to do is add this to Google Chrome, as you can see. So what we can do is going to bring up a window like this, but you can just go ahead to close that down. And to actually use this, if I come to Google, what you're going to want to do first is come and click onto the extensions icon just up here at the top. From here, you should now see dark mode. What you want to do is click the small pin icon next to this, and that's going to pin this to the bar at the top. Once you've pinned this to the top, go ahead and refresh the page. What you can then do is click the switch to toggle between dark and night mode on Google Chrome. So that's how to change Google Chrome to dark mode. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.